she kept saying, if this really works as it's saying, if they really back what they're saying in this contract, it seems like it's going to be amazing. And you guys did. You held your side of the bargain, and we did our best to hold up ours. And I think that even though it was uncharted territory for everybody, it was worth it. And you can see that in the final product and how beautiful it is, the amount of advertising that is in it now, the quality of the piece itself, the reaction from our members and the community. I'm much more proud and excited about this than I have been the past 4 versions I've done since being